Banking with new technology, e-commerce. I'm sure that all of you have booked cabs, ordered food online, or shopped for clothes or swiped your cards at a shop. All these transactions that we do over an electronic network, typically the internet, is called e-commerce. Almost any product or service is available through e-commerce these days. But do you know that there are people waiting to steal all your information so that they can use your card and use your money to purchase things? So, what are some of the things you need to be careful about while transacting online? 1. Select a credit card with very low limit for transacting business online. 2. Be aware about spams or unsolicited bulk business emails. 3. Opt for an online shopping website that displays the complete data pertaining to their business, such as the street address as well as phone number. 4. Always read the disclaimer or privacy policy on the e-commerce portal before you decide to buy, as some of the disclaimers mention that your important data, like date of birth, phone number, etc., would be shared with third parties, thus infringing your privacy. 5. Check out the lock icon in the status bar as well as select the websites that get started with HTTPS, mainly because these sites are the ones with a safe server. 6. Continue to keep records regarding all your online transactions. ATM withdrawals or ATM card exchange. While making an ATM withdrawal, watch out for suspicious devices around the ATM. While you are making your transaction, do not allow anybody in the ATM room if only one ATM machine is installed in the room. Block the view of the number pad so that nobody can notice your ATM PIN. While doing an ATM transaction, if your card is stuck in the machine, inform the guard on duty. Do not get help if any stranger offers to do so. E-commerce or point-of-sale transactions using ATM or debit card and internet banking. While making transactions at merchant establishment, POS, keep your eyes on the person swiping the card. If the merchant asks for the PIN, please enter the PIN yourself. Avoid public computers like cyber cafes for e-commerce transactions or internet banking. Update your PC with the latest antivirus, anti-malware, personal firewall, etc. Do not respond to any email asking for your account credentials like card number, validity, PIN, expiry date, etc. Banks do not ask account credentials from customers. Avoid responding to emails or calls stating that you have won a lottery. Erase the card verification value or CVV number on the backside of the card and memorize the same or store it confidentially. Do not use phone banking unless your phone device is secure. Be a smart shopper. Think before buying if you really need the product. Allocate a budget and stick to the budget. Do enough research before you buy. No impulse buying. Compare products and then choose.